guys? Welcome back to another TDurrGT video. As you can tell by the title, we are in Mexico tonight. We got some action going down. A lot of cars outside tonight, and we're bringing you a different taste for the channel today. Right over here to the left side of me, we got my buddy Nick, and he's got a deep impact blue S197 Mustang. Let me see if I can open up this. There we go. There we go. Now we can see. So a badass V-Lock here. Let me just banger car, wrap it around, and basically I'm about to take notes. So give us a little detail of what's going on here with your S197.
So we got it set up for digs. We ain't dig racing tonight though. We got to still waiting on getting tires in alignment. We just got a full suspension. Kelly Egan long travels, full BMR in the rear. We're just a big single turbo car looking to party. Rolls, digs.
Big single turbo. This thing is insane, y'all. This thing is insane. If I could tell y'all everything that's kind of going on here, I wouldn't be able to tell you. Nick would be able to tell you damn near everything. But we are definitely learning as we're coming up in the racing game.
Gen 1 motor, Gen 2 heads ported. It's got PAX 1235X or 1234X screens. Just an on-3 kit, some stuff, adaptations to the kit to make it work out better. 44mm wastegate, 8096mm turbo, and it boogies. So shout out Infinity Repair and Performance. They want to build the car.
I'm gonna actually pick up some strange struts from him sometime soon.
Yeah, it should be ready about 2 weeks to do some digs. Just gotta get that suspension done. Needs a race alignment, some other stuff, and start testing.
Nice.
So.
Got my boy Brian out here. Where's your whip?
Down over here. You want to
down over there? Yeah, we'll go check it out. We did a roll probably about, was it probably 2 years ago at this point?
It's longer.
Yeah, it was long.
Dude, it's like 4 or 5 years.
No, not 4 or 5 years.
It's been a long.
It hasn't been. It's probably been at least 2 years. It's probably been 2 years.
I was
and I got gapped, so I'm coming for that ass now because you know we got the Pro Charger. All right, y'all can see what's going on out here. Oh, damn, that's pink. Damn near. Sheesh. This ain't your whip, bro. This is not the. I have not seen this car. This is not. This is your car.
No, this is mine.
Yeah, right.
His is right here. That's the one. That's the one. It looks like it.
Where's the red one at?
It's torn apart, brother.
It's torn apart.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Well, it's unfortunate. He didn't show us the car. He got a new car for us today. It sounded badass when you pulled up. What's done to it?
Just
well,
cam.
you just cam.
Yeah, stage 2 cam. 3200 stall. Just a daily driver.
It's your daily driver. It's cam.
Oh.
Yeah. So I think the races are about to start. I kind of missed what's going on, but we got a BMW M8 versus a Hellcat that's all the way over there. They got the whip. Bringing some cars on the trailers. A lot more cars that are actually rolling in here. All right, we got the Hellcat. I believe they're about to race. I think they're about to pull up right now. The Hellcat going up. And shout out, we got Charles and Frank in the building. I don't know where Frank is, but we got Charles out here, the cameraman of Aunt Frank.
Wait, Daniel, you want to do 50?
You want to do 100? I got the BMW. Who got Hellcat?
I'm gonna get another angle. I don't like this angle.
Who got Hellcat? Who want to do? I got the Beamer for 100. The Beamer for 100. I got the Beamer for 100. Who got Hellcat?
Y'all ready yet?
Let's see.
Hey, where's the go-to at?
Looks like they're giving him looks like he's giving him a car, I believe. Maybe, unless the Hellcat's gonna do a burnout.
I seen you y'all hyped me up today. Putting it on
What? Pussy bitch.
Hey,
Gotta get that thumbnail.
let's go.
think the Hellcat got him. I think the Hellcat got him down there.
He got him, bro. He got him. He told him, bro. He told him, bro. He told him. No. Watch this. Watch this.
That Hellcat ain't whining.
He got it. Yeah. Right side. Yeah. Right side. He said he got it. Which one he say?
He said right side. The Hellcat was on the right side. So I'm not sure yet. We're still gonna wait.
He got it. He got it.
Sticky, man. We gotta get out that lane.
He got it. Yeah, they look
We got Marcus out here. We got Ears Pop out in the Chi-Town. It's cold from Texas.
We got that, bro. We got that.
The Hellcat got him, right?
They said the Hellcat got him.
BMW.
I'm not sure. BMW. We got a lot of people out here, man. It's popping tonight. It's actually, I don't know, it hasn't been like too much really popping out in the Chi-Town area, but the one night I actually pop out, the YouTubers are out here, everybody's outside, and we got a lot of cars out here. And so we're here running back the footage, seeing who won.
I'm surprised he didn't fit a touchscreen on that little ass face. There we go. Start taking off right there. Oh shit. Oh, he got off it. Hey, oh, my fault.
Yeah, my bad. You're good.
I swear to God, it looked like Eddie was catching it. Shit,
Which car you think took that, Ant?
Shit, I thought it was the Hellcat.
Thought it was the Hellcat? Oh, okay, guys. He said it looks like the G80 took that by the footage. Well, we got one racing. It looks like the cops are. Whoops. Looks like the cops are out here. Yep. As you can see, though, it's definitely a night with everybody out. The cop is providing a lot of good light out here. Damn. I don't know if there's going to be a spot where we're going to go to next. The night is still young. There's still a lot of people out. So we'll get some pullouts for y'all. Yellow taxi. Looks like they're trying to block people in. We gotta get people out. I gotta get out of here now that they're trying to block people in here.
Are you coordinating this?
No,
No? Do you know who by any chance?
I'm not sure.
No?
I'm not sure.
What happened that they left here?
I'm not sure who coordinated it. Alright, let me get going. She on some other shit. There's a lot of badass whips that I try to catch rolling out of here though. Tonight, unfortunate that the cops pulled up, but we shall see what's going on next. Can't even see her, bro. She's like, she might just get hit. She's probably counting all the cars. Yes, sir.
Hey, you know what I want? I want the Meta glasses.
The Meta glasses, those would be really dope because sometimes when I'm driving with this, I can't tell like what height I'm filming at.
Yeah, something that's like straight, like, you know?
Yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe to Anne Frank. They are bringing y'all all of the nice Mexico content out in Chicago.
And subscribe to TDurrGT.
Indeed.
They'll put it right here down below.
And like I mentioned, also Anne Frank, he just picked up a Vortec for his car as well, and he's getting it all dialed in. Literally, what it's been about a month now a month and a half ago. A couple weeks?
How long has it been on there? What?
Oh, that has been on there, but since you bought
3
it.
weeks,
Yeah.
probably.
But you probably bought it like
He
about
ain't
a month ago.
Oh yeah, he's looking to arrest somebody.
All right, guys, let's get another walk around of all the whips that are over here. It is it's a packing night. This F-150 right here is badass. This color on this thing is badass, and it's on a tire too. I only see these things when literally 1320 videos posting somewhere in like Texas or something. And then I believe we got a, I'm not sure what kit this is, it's a twin turbo kit. Yeah. This thing right here is crazy, man. Twin turbo kit. Got both of the piping coming out of the side. The guy with the man bun?
Yeah, I seen a lot. He went right, I went left. I don't know where he went. Oh, right, you see the bun that's sticking out? That's what you gotta look for.
That's what you're looking for?
Like
just look for the bun?
One time, he left me at a gas station. He didn't come back till the next day, but I was waiting for him.
You know what? My dad left me at a gas station also.
Really?
Yeah, but he never came back.
I was just kidding, but he really left you at a gas station? Will he forget the milk?
Come on now.
You better
hey,
cut that.
Dad, if you're watching this, I know we're just joking. We're just joking. Cops are over there. They are over there trying to see what to do.
They said you ain't coming back.
Let's check out some more cars we got over here. This is the Hellcat that was racing. I'm not sure what's done to it, but it's obviously something done. Guys, that's a dope dog right there. Over here chilling. Damn. Okay, we wrap around here. This wrap on here goes crazy. I'm gonna put up the light for y'all. These wheels on here are dope too, man. I like the wheels on here. Back in performance. Got an S197. Nice. I think it's an 11 to 12. It's got the 13 to 14 tail lights, but it's an 11 through 12 from the front end that I've seen. Whoops. Got a parachute on this bad boy. A lot of Beamers out here. I think this is the one that raced. This GT500 is super clean. I think it sounded really good coming out. Also, we all know we gotta get all the Mustangs on the channel. The seats in there look really dope, really clean, and the wheels on this bad boy go crazy. It's got the Brembos on the back. Got the red beadlocks with the red outline. I've never seen that before. 1000R. I've never seen that before either. I'm not sure what that means. Got a blue S550 right here. Turbo coming out, really clean setup.
No different than Joe. Why he excluded? Because he did some nice bills. Hold on, he excluded because he do nice bills and people can't sleep on it. I was just saying. No, I was just saying. Why I ain't saying he wasn't. But he talked a lot of shit about my car and shit.
It's an eBay setup.
Oh, eBay. It's a
Fuck out. Built by fucking some Mexicans, that's it, man.
Well, your paint job
He just got the car. I'm fucked up. I just come on, man, 2 no bricks.
Hey, I heard somebody say race car. Who said that? Hey, who said race car? Hey, bro, I swear to God, bro, we'll put up 2,000. 2,000 for y'all, 1,000 if you foot brake.
We pay $400 for that bun. We want to use it.
If he foot brake, yes, sir.
Come on, man, 2 no bricks. $1,000. Wait. Flip for lane, flip for let's go.
I'm not in it, bro. I'll go to the end and watch.
Fuck do you need a break for,
How long, bro?
You saw what I did, bro.
Hey, I know you figured that out right now.
That's a nice match.
Hey, you know, hold on, we would have tried it, but he got John. Hey,
What is that?
This one we seen pull up. So you just bought this one?
November, yeah.
In November?
Bone stock.
And what's up to it now?
Just intake exhaust.
Intake and exhaust.
Yeah, wheels,
Yep.
headlights, grill.
Definitely one of the first things to do to an S197 Mustang. See, he was at the gym and he just checked out one of my my videos, which is crazy. Appreciate it, man. Hey, yo, we still got the cops down there. It's been about 30 minutes we've probably been here. I don't know if we may get another run in. There's a tow truck and I think we're gonna bounce out. The tow truck's over there and they are towing the cop's car. Cop's car's on the tow truck. That's shopping, sounds badass. Got a cop car on the tow truck. Badass. Barker, let's go.